What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and this market update. Very necessary. I mean, we haven't had that much movement in the markets. I mean, Bitcoin has been up and down a little bit. And what's worse is that the Bitcoin dominance is stronger again. So certain altcoins, especially meme coins, performed very bad this weekend. But what's happening right now is that, of course, over the course of the weekend, the volume has dropped down. The market is about to open. We're going to get new capital, new volume on Monday and also tonight, so Sunday evening. So just wanted to give you my thoughts, my expectations, what's possible, what should you know, which cryptos are strongest right now, can meme coins recover, can we get some AI momentum, because obviously next week we have both Nvidia earnings, but we also have Ajax, Fetch and Ocean coming together into ASI, a new token, on the 24th, and Nvidia earnings are the 22nd. So let's talk about that. First of all, if we talk about the general market right now, look, we're very bullish, all right? Purely technically, this is super bullish. We've had only bullish breakouts since last week, Tuesday evening, all right? And then you look at the ETF inflows. Those are great as well. On Wednesday till Friday last week, we even had some positive grayscale inflows in net total, actually positive from grayscale last week, but also a ton of inflows from ARK, but also from Bybit and FBTC. So that's all great, right? Getting some good inflows. We don't necessarily have major economic news, I believe. So I would say that's good as well. We have some initial jobless claims, those might matter, but who knows. And then also, by the way, Friday we have the PCE price index, but that's not this week, that's next week. So excuse me, I'm looking wrong. But no, apart from that, this week, not much going on. So news, we'll have to see. Like I said, AI could perform well. But what is true is that even though technically Bitcoin right now is bullish, what I would expect with this low volume is that we can get some sort of a bigger pullback, all right? I think overall, if you look at the open interest, for example, right here for Bitcoin, that's all great. There's nothing to worry about regarding that. But still, I've seen market structures like this before. And like I said, since last week, Wednesday, we haven't really had a pullback. And then you can also see that some shorts have been opened, or quite a lot of shorts have been opened in the last hour. I'd be careful, right? I think we can spike down into 66 and 65,000. So far, I see no reason why those levels would not hold. All right, so I expect them to hold, but there's always a chance. There's always a chance that those levels don't hold. The market right now is definitely not as bullish as it was right here or right here. So be careful, all right? I think it's most likely when we're talking about what to expect from Bitcoin is that we have a pullback and then a support touch and a recovery up to 69 and 70,000. But a pullback like this with the Bitcoin dominance at this level can be pretty bad for altcoins, all right? So let's talk a little bit about altcoins, all right? Because like I said, AI coins, I think can move quite a bit, all right? I'm not necessarily that's not necessarily going to be bullish. We could also have some sort of a sell the news effect after the Nvidia earnings. In general, I would stay away from trading Fetch, Ajax, and Ocean because of their merge, and who knows what's that going to do. But Render, for example, could be quite volatile. Be careful though, it's very reliant on news next week. So yeah, that's a coin I would have my eyes on, but whether I would want to trade it, I don't know. And meme coins in general are quite interesting because if you look at Bonk, for example, that was quite strong, hit the top of the range. But also Pepe has dropped down to quite a significant support level right here. So if you observe some momentum from meme coins, I don't think buying them now is a good idea. But if you see some sort of a bullish breakout from one of them, then we might have some sort of a recovery rally. That could be interesting. But like I said, that's very dependent on both Bitcoin staying bullish, but also meme coins getting some sort of a bullish reclaim. All right. And then apart from that, some other cryptos that are quite strong. Or that were quite strong last week and that I think can be strong again if Bitcoin finds support here, are Phantom, Link, and Teller. Even though Teller, as most of you know, is a bit of a more difficult crypto to trade. But Link, as you can see, has been strong. for this entire period of time. If the market stays relatively bullish, we can rally up to 18.5 and 19. Phantom also was very strong, hit a major resistance level, but if we drop down to 80 cents and gain some momentum from there, that's golden. And Teller still has huge open interest and volume. So that could also, if we break above 125, could also do some things. But apart from that, most of your time should be watching Bitcoin and what it does. All right, so keep your eyes on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.